Somebody loved me. Everything was beautiful. Every hour we spent together lives within my heart. When she was sad, I was there to dry her tears. And when she was happy, so was I. When she loved me. Through the summer and the fall, we had each other, that was all. Just she and I together, like it was meant to be. And when she was lonely, I was there to comfort her, and I knew that she loved me. So the years went by, I stayed the same, but she began to drift away. I was left alone. Still I waited for the day when she said I will always love you. Lonely, unforgotten, never thought she'd look my way, but she smiled at me and